Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, as you'll see at Real Nesters, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all two YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And follow us at The Real Nesters on Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your girl, Crystal Real Nester. I'm back today to do a review on this little gadget here, kitchen gadget I found from Ollie's, Madison York's microwave cleaner. So literally, I don't even know how long I had this, but I had to wait until the microwave get dirty so that y'all could see that it worked. If it works. So don't be talking about my microwave in the comments. This is for review. Okay? Alright. So here's my microwave. And y'all see it's stuff back there on the wall. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Alright. That's how I went down in the DMs. But anyway. So it's a microwave cleaner. It says you won't need to use no chemicals. Cleans with gentle steam. Cleans with vinegar and water. And I've never opened this, you guys. For some reason, they said it's fun, safe, and easy to use. I guess if you had your 7 to 13-year-old cleaning the microwave, they might find it fun. I guess. But we're going to open this little baby up. So it's an unboxing and a rivet 2 in 1. Okay. Alright, so this is how it came, ladies and gentlemen. It looked like a large salt and pepper shaker, I guess. Now, y'all might say, why can't you just wipe the microwave out? Why did you need this? Because I wanted to do a review on it because it looked pretty cool. That's how the bottom looks. It's a plastic material. That's the top. It looks like a little big volcano. So here's our instructions we never want to read, ladies and gentlemen. And it tells us to open and close, twist the top. This is the container. There's a water marker in here that says, oh, okay. So y'all probably can't see that, but that says vinegar and this says water. Can't really see it that well, but open the top, cover, pour. Oh, white vinegar. I got apple cider. I got to get white vinegar. To the vinegar. Marking on the container, pour water, marking, close the top. So it would be nice if they would have put that in a different color. That's my first thing, because like I said, it blends in. I didn't even notice it at first. So then place the Volcano in the center of the microwave on high setting for 5 to 8 minutes. The microwave will steam after 2. After cooling, remove the Volcano. Use a sponge or rag to easily remove the grime. To clean the microwave cleaner, wash with soapy water or place in top rack dishwasher. So the first thing I need to do is follow proper instructions and get white vinegar instead of apple cider vinegar. So I'll be right back. So ladies and gentlemen, I got my vinegar. Don't be talking about my vinegar, y'all. Where I come from, you buy the big vinegar. Alright, so it actually has a line down in there. Can you see that? And you fill it up to there. And then you fill the rest of this with water to the water marker, which is not as easy to see. And okay, so that might be a little bit more than what it's, but it's okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Put the top on this little baby. Did y'all hear that? It like snap. Yep, it snaps. So you actually do have to unscrew it. And it snaps on. And you want to put it in the center of your microwave. And it says for 5 to 8 minutes. Because we are doing a review, the first time we will do 5 minutes. And I'll be right back with you to see what happens at the end.
Right.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we can smell vinegar. Secondly, I do see like water traces around here, which I guess is meaning to soften up the stuff to make it wipe out easier. There is water down in here, like from the water over exploding. But it's warm. They did say wait 5 minutes, but it's not a big deal for me. I can touch that, take my hands out. But now what we're supposed to be able to do is just wipe this off. So let me actually just get a paper towel. And let's see if this is going to come right off as they said. So if you look up there, a little splatter. Oh, I guess it is. But you still have to put some elbow grease. If you notice, that's not coming off. Let's see. Alright, so I have to get my little ladder. I'm short, you guys. My husband thinks this is funny. They all laugh at me. You laugh at me when I can reach it now. Alright, let's see. So honestly, oh sorry babe. Nah. I just think that's an extra unnecessary step. Madison York, this is not needed. This is the first review. I would say I'm giving it a thumbs down. Every other one, I'm like, oh, I'll give it a chance, give it a little bit. But I don't really see the purpose of this unless you like got super gunky stuff. Because honestly, I always clean with those little Brillo pad kind of things. Or the sponges with these on it. This is going to be much easier for me. You just put a little elbow grease into it. Where I come from is what we call it. And you just do that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is my first flock review. Okay? We can do without this. Maybe I could hold this for when the granddaughter come over and see if we could put baking soda, vinegar or something in it. I'll find some use for it. But cleaning the microwave, nah. So ladies and gentlemen, even though I'm not giving this product a thumbs up, y'all know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Put some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.